Today in the shop, we are packing the Packout. And before we get started, please make sure to take a moment to support the channel by dropping a like, hitting subscribe, and letting me know down in the comments what you're working on today. And with that, sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. So in today's episode, we are packing the Packout in order to make a house call. And this mobile mechanic house call is going to be for my little sister's 2019 RAV4 to do some front brakes and also a diag on an odd error message she's getting on her dash related to her all-wheel drive. And because we're gonna actually take our RAV4 up to her, I'm not gonna bring the entire stack of Packout. We're gonna actually just bring a couple boxes, fill them with the tools that we need, and kind of be a little bit more space conscientious versus taking the whole stack in the back of the truck bed. So right now, I'm gathering some of the core things that we're going to need. Grabbed a couple socket sets. You saw there the old reliable high torque to get the wheels off. As I'm sure anyone can relate, when you're taking your tools on the go, the biggest thing that I'm thinking about is making sure that I bring almost more than I think I'll need. So I'm kind of doing a mental checklist of the job, thinking to myself, what am I going to run into that I'm going to need, from things like a torque wrench to put the wheels back on, wrenches to counterhold the slide pins, lighting. Here we're going to grab the jack and a couple jack stands, kind of bringing the entire shop with us to make sure that we don't run into any situations where we don't have the tools that we need. And here I'm bringing the Autel, kind of my big boy scanner, to make sure that we can talk to the all-wheel drive system that I suspect is going to have some clues as to what's going on with that error message. And you saw me grab these bottles at the beginning of the video here. These are basically brake lubricants. Basically your typical anti-seize and some silicone paste for the slide pins. Okay, and that will do it for getting the Packout ready. I'm separating them into 2 stacks. I'm going to be taking the right side here, so just getting everything ready to load up. And this will be part 1 of basically a 3-part series where I will show you guys a dedicated video for the diag of the all-wheel drive and the front brake replacement. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.